Hey, Seth here from Kenny Sport and Power and the Outdoor Power Man, working on an Ariens Mammoth today, and ran into some weird issues that I wanted to show you guys. This will also save you on a crap load of troubleshooting that I already went through to figure out on the wiring. It's Ariens Mammoth 850. It's the only model they have. Got different attachments. So one interesting thing is the Ariens Mammoth, when you're running a Broom or a Snowblower, you have to have this plugged in to run the PTO. The PTO will not work unless you have that plugged in, and for safety reasons, this is why. This little loop right here, from the PTO switch, the power comes down to your plug here, and then it just loops through this and goes back out. So that tells the safety system in the machine that, hey, there's an attachment hooked up, we're ready to go. So anyways, after a bunch of testing here, this is your PTO switch. You have power coming in from the key switch, power here. When you pull the switch, it transfers the power back out the green and yellow wire. Green and yellow. All right, back out the PTO switch. So anyways, so that directly runs all the way up to that twist plug I was just showing you up here. All right, the issue we had with this one is the complaint was no PTO turning on. So everything's hooked up, you pull a switch, nothing happens on the Mammoth. So after troubleshooting, we figured out that we had no power coming out of the switch up to that plug, to the pin on that plug. It comes out green and yellow at that plug, runs into the green, and then comes back through. All right, so we had no power, ended up pulling this little clip off that's on the frame right here. It rubbed through the harness, and here's your power wire rubbed through this clip that's not supposed to rub through, and it killed PTO function. Everything else on the whole entire Mammoth worked just fine. Up, down, all that stuff, everything's good. No PTO on off. So it wasn't a relay, it wasn't anything, it was actually just a broken wire. All our grounds were good. So once we fix this wire, we'll be back in business. It's just kind of stupid that it rubbed through that wire holder that's not supposed to rub through. So repair PTO switch on an Ariens Mammoth 850. Thanks.